Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to create a Facebook group. Why would you want to know how to create a Facebook group? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to create a Facebook group. So today I am going to show you how to create a Facebook group. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Creating a Facebook group is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will create a Facebook group. First of all, open Facebook app in your device, and now here is my Facebook home screen. Now first click on three line in the right top corner and then click on groups. Now in this new screen, click on plus icon in the right top corner and then click on create a group. Now first enter your group name and then select privacy and then click on create group and your group has been created. So there you go. If you were wondering how to create a Facebook group, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.